Today I am going to explain you the procedure to be followed in a chartered accountancy course, how to become a chartered accountant. The procedure is as follows. There are the two procedures. First is the entrance exam route and the direct entry route. Entrance exam route is first you must complete the 12th or the intermediate exam second year. After completion of intermediate, you need to write the entrance exam with the CA foundation. In the direct entry route, you must be a graduate, commerce graduate or postgraduate. There is some certain criteria like 55%, all these things. So, in order to get very minute details about the CA course, you need to visit the ICA Bhavan, which is the governing body for chartered accountants. So mostly the students who undergo chartered accountancy course come from the commerce background. You may also come from science background only for intermediate students. After graduation also you may do from direct entry route, but you must be a commerce graduate. In case you are a science graduate, you need to come from here, start from here, entrance exam route. You need to write CA foundation. In case of direct entry, an exemption is given. An exemption of not writing CA foundation is given. So whenever you join the intermediate exam, it's better to take CA foundation coaching beforehand. Some junior colleges like in commerce field, the junior colleges may provide you CA foundation coaching from the first year of intermediate only. Else else you may take a certain other coaching from certain other coaching center which give you coaching for CA foundation. Else after passing intermediate exam from any background, you may join a long term course for CA foundation coaching. uh, like after intermediate, within 2 or 3 months you may write the CA foundation exam. After passing the CA foundation exam, after a gap of 9 months and following a certain procedure which the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India says, after following that, you may write the CA intermediate exam. It has two groups. After passing the first group, you may join the articleship. Before joining the articleship, there is some criteria like some courses are to be taken. Some 1 or 2 months of courses are there, like information technology course and orientation course. After doing that, you may join the articleship. After passing the first group of chartered accountancy, which is mandatory, you may also complete the second group at a time and then enter the articleship. Or after you pass first group, you may join the articleship and you may complete the second group in this 3 years of articleship. After completion of articleship, that is practical training under a chartered accountant for 3 years, you may be completing the articleship. Then the last stage is CA final stage. After passing CA inter and inter both groups, you must pass the both groups, and at least 2.5 years of practical training must be completed, that is articleship must be completed. Then you may write the CA final both groups. Then you will become a member after completing this articleship and both the groups of CA final. This is all about the chartered accountancy course. And I forgot to tell you one thing. Like I told, some orientation courses and some information technologies courses are to be done before starting the articleship. There are also some courses which are to be done in the last 2 years of articleship. Some MCS and ICITSS courses are there that must be done in the last 2 years of practical training. And there are also some articleship exams, so small online exams to test your skills in articleship, that are to be done. That are other some things that need to be completed before CA final. So this is all about the chartered accountancy course. Thank you.